invadieron, papi. Cacho.
Espectacular. Abierta todos los días a partir de las 19 horas.
Severe weather continues to affect Spain. On May 2nd, at about 2 p.m., a strong storm hit the capital of Spain. The south of Madrid and several municipalities such as Leganés, Móstoles and Alcorcón were affected by rain and hail this Monday. Although the sky had been clear a few minutes earlier, the clouds had brought down millions of ice rocks. Residents of Madrid who fled their homes were forced to take shelter in nearby places or under umbrellas. As a result of bad weather, the streets were covered with a layer of ice. Surprisingly, the hail did not affect the entire city. In the very center of Madrid, the sun continued to shine, although later the elements were already heading north, affecting a good part of the city. Madrid is the capital and largest city of Spain, located in the central part of the Iberian Peninsula. The largest economic, political, and cultural center of the country. The population of the city is 3,300,000 inhabitants.